gano'n na nga. Ito na si Kinyahan, extra pass pa underneath to John Ferriols.
Dined man na ni John Ferriols ng sabon kanina sa kanya ni Coach Tim Gold. I-score na lang ako, sabi ni Big John Ferriols.
And that is the 24th assist for the Alaska Aces. Samantala, itong Pure Foods, 7 assists in the entire, 5 assists in the entire ball game.
Ito yun, ha? Kita mo yung tutukan na natira ni Raymundo. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. But at least they're lucky that there was Roger Yap for the putback. Villanueva, rather.
Ito ngayon, si Tony De La Cruz. Tony De La Cruz looking for some space. Finds Kinyahan, loses control of the leather. Ito si Roger Yap. Roger Yap, sumugod, dumiretso, gets a layup.
Sabay wagay-way nung tarpaulin ni Roger Yap nung kanyang pad sa ilalim ng court. Nung panahon niyo, wala bang tarpaulin yan, no?
Streamer. ID picture lang yung winawagay-way sa dati.
Na yan nilalagay sa project.
Traveling here for by J.R. Kinyahan. So it is down to a 30-point lead. Kanina po, biggest lead na Alaska is 34.
And both teams playing without their imports, no? Ang kupunan ng Alaska because of the domination. Ang Pure Foods parang pagsulong sa kanilang import, eh.
And
well-rested Willie Miller. Nananalasa pa rin dito. Ganun nung walang konsyensya ito si Willie Miller. Talagang dinidigdig niya. And alam niya, makakalaban eh. Posible pa rin bumawi itong Pure Foods at makakalaban na sa ibang round. So, they should be reminded of this ball game.
tama yan, no?
Happy foul number 4, J.R. Kinyahan. That is his first personal, second free foul for the Alaska Aces.
Kinyahan will be called for the personal foul. Una pa lang ito for J.R. Kinyahan. But Raymundo, talagang ayaw. Free throws ayaw talagang pumasok.
In the meantime, let's take a look at our top players. Yan po sila Mark Agiwa, Asi Taulava, J.J. Hildebrand, Ryan Reyes at Mark Pingris. That was our top players brought to us by Top Power Energy Drink. Top Power Energy.
1 out of 2 and finally a point para dito kay Raymundo. Raymundo made his point.
Ayun, itong Alaska Aces is looking to become the first team in the conference to win 4 in a row. Ganun po kahigpitan ang laban dito sa ating Fiesta Conference. Ito na ngayon si Willie Miller. Tumigada ng 3. Wala. Nagawa ng bola. Nakakuha ni Roger Yap. He's fouled by, yes, LA Tenorio.
Pang-apat na ito for LA Tenorio. Yung mga inipon nila ng first half, mukhang ibubuhusan nila dito. So first time, Eddie Laure comes in the court. Si Tony De La Cruz, pagpapahingahin na. Well, the 47 points of Pure Foods, pag hindi sila nakascore dito, which I'm sure, mabe-break naman nila ito. Yan ang all-time lowest output sa isang game dito sa PBA history.
Oo.
Pero kalahating quarter pa naman.
Here's LA Tenorio signaling the play. Tenorio. Goes to Kinyahan. Kinyahan reverses the ball. Bigay kay Laure. Laure. Malamig pa tong si Eddie Laure. Kinyahan naman. Tumira. Wala. But John Ferriols there for that offensive rebound.
Kita mo yung mga balikat ng mga taga-Pure Foods, eh. Talagang pwede na lang, i-buzzer nyo.
So pwede nga, fast forward na yung di ba? Gawin mo na ng running time para lang matapos na itong kalbaryo ng Pure Foods.
Sabi naman ng mga bench player ni Coach Steve, wag naman, itong pagkakataon namin, eh. J.R. Kinyahan tallying his first 2. May possible 3-point play pa after that foul. So it's 80-47. Palayo na ng palayo.
Eksaktong 5 minuto na lang po ang nalalabi dito sa ating ball game. Naman po ang Alaska, 80-47. We have a timeout.